Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I got them both at once, male, female. Northern yellow shaft flicker. Female has the back to the camera. Male is on the other side. See, the male has a bib, a black bib. That's how you tell the difference. Beautiful woodpeckers. You can really see his bib now, and also on the side of his face. It's very rainy and cold. So I have a lot of buddies here today. I was just out there loading up the suet in another cage, and I could hear them in the tree. Oh, they're so beautiful. They usually eat insects. You'll see them in the summer just pounding on the ground. Oh, see that beautiful yellow? To me, that's an awe moment. Peace.